Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I will show you how to send money on US Bank using Zelle. Now Zelle is great if you want to go and if you want to send money really fast, especially if you're using a US bank. So basically, as you can see, what you'll need to do is you'll need to first download the US Bank mobile app. Make sure to log in into your online banking app. And then, as you can see, you can actually send money using a Zelle QR code. So you can scan your receipts, Zelle QR code. You'll be directed to Zelle Find Your Bank site. You can select Start Search and enter US Bank into the search bar. And then you can choose US Bank and follow the authentication process and steps with the US Bank mobile app. You'll be redirected to the Send Money page where your recipient details will populate. Now you need to complete the enter amount, pay form and send on fields and select review, and if everything is correct, click send. Now this is basically in a nutshell how you can send money on US Bank using Zelle. Now typically you can also do this through Zelle. You can access Zelle, the app, and then you can pick someone you trust already and someone that you already have a Zelle account information with, and then you can go and choose the amount to send. This is also what you can do as well, but Zelle works with a lot of different banks, so you can start using Zelle as an app as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can go and send money on US Bank using Zelle. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.